We are here at Mixamo, and I found a problem when importing its animations into Unity. This character here is a Genesis 3 model, imported using the Daz3d Unity bridge. But something happens when you import Mixamo animations to it. Something weird with the walk animation. To fix it, I found the following workflow works for me. After tweaking an animation I like, I click Download as FBX for Unity with skin, because for some reason, without skin gives me trouble. Then I import that file into Unity, and the first thing I have to do is go to Rig and make sure the animation type is humanoid. And don't forget to click Apply. And only then open the package to extract the animation. To do that, you need to select it and press Ctrl-D to duplicate the animation outside the package. Once that's done, you can delete the imported file. In the new duplicated animation, you'll need to drag and drop a model into this window to preview it. Here is the animation panel, and this is the inspector with the preview window. One problem that I found is that the jaw is open. This is because of the jaw close bone. To fix this, we need to go to the first keyframe and change the value to 1, and then to the last keyframe and change the value to 1. And at this point, this should work. We create then an animator, to which you assign the different animations. Here the one we just unloaded and fixed. In my case, I have a prefab with the character. Here this is the model, imported from Daz. This mouth is an empty object, placed roughly where the mouth is, so the text bubbles know where to point. This object here is what the dialog system uses to draw the text bubble. This one is the audio source of the character. This is an adventure creator interaction script, which runs whenever the player clicks on the character. And this marker tells the played character where to stand when talking to the princess. Now, there are some things to note when you import a Genesis character. One of those are the eyes. The eyelashes need to be tricked so they're not this black blob. And the eyes themselves look white because some textures are not imported as opaque. So eye moisture needs to be at full alpha, and the sclera needs to be at full alpha as well. Another thing that happened to me was that the Genesis 3 female was smaller than I expected. So I had to scale her at 1.5 on each axis. The model is the controller of the animator, and the avatar comes from the imported Genesis package. It's a good idea to change her rig to humanoid. And if there's a problem, because the model looks white, extract the textures. So those were my notes on using a Daz character in Unity. One thing you may also want to do is to run the Decimator plugin in Daz, because the imported model has a lot of polygons. So that's it. Hope it helps.